his jump. Morant in transition. Oh, John Morant with a man's jump.
It's a Hawks barrage in this opening quarter. Oh, John Wall with some nasty stuff.
It'll be my first time actually seeing it. He was ablaze. Didn't realize that behind the back.
Yeah.
Here's Curry with a high bounce pass, and yes, slapping it home.
4:15 to play in the third. Dennis Smith, and he'll hammer it home and get fouled. Breakdown defensively.
Here's Levine on the drive with the reverse. Got it to go and a foul.
It's this right here. Frank Jackson again. Fouls him.
Lewis kicks it out to Williamson, rising up underneath. That's just not fair. He got hit in midair. Limited to some degree. Juwan Evans guarding Phil. Nifty pass and a great finish. You want to talk about nifty for Ferguson.
By Levine, 9-point game, minute to go. It's Carroll. Jang defends. Oh, DeRozan came out of the rafters and slams it. So teams up to 3. Short.
Yeah, Cavaliers doing a good job.
To go in the half. Oh my!
You see what you started, Reggie? What I
All right, what's Lillard thinking about here? He's all 4 quarters, but by winning the 4th, it's $300,000 for Albie loses it. Forgot the basketball. Look at this pass intended for LeBron. He's got it! Throw it down, King!
Oh, you say this is... Look at LeBron. How's he going to finish it? Woo!
Against Detroit and Cleveland on the last road trip.
Yeah.
That is Porter with the steal. Throw it to Mitchell. What a pass and finish.
Get it in the area, Coach. Donovan's going to find it. That's incredible. He caught that.
In the Drew League, which is a summer league in LA.
Oh, Anthony Davis. The ball was behind his head. He grabbed it and slammed it in one motion with one hand.
Drew coming on the curl. The lob, Zion. How about that adjustment? 4 shots in the paint and they don't have a free throw attempt.
And you know what?
Oh, Oubre. Shoot it whenever you want, Kelly. Curry's going to put it up. You know that.
None, 3 on 2. Robinson in and out. Nice rebound by Adebayo. Double sandwich down. Oh, what a play by Bam.
Bam. Don't hurt him like that, big fella.
The rebound, his 8th of the ball game. Westbrook cocking the hammer, pulling the trigger.
Talk about getting in transition, running downhill.
That's fatigue for him. Oh, how fast was that? Where did Fox? Okay, so watch this. How many dribbles? 3 dribbles. Walker can jump himself. Over the top. Oh, Gerald Green. Jeez. He has it hot. He has not lost it.
And out to Barnes. It's a foot race. Oh my! What effort! 3 men went crashing 3 rows deep.
Wild spin. Got into the lane though. Couldn't caress it home. Rebound. Save. Absolutely incredibly with the acrobatic alley-oop. What a ridiculous highlight. Started by Archie Diacono. 3-point shooting. Williamson with a flush. And some pyrotechnics at the other end.
It happens fast, Mark.
On the run out, Williamson now with 9 in the game.
to go for the Bulls. Up by 6.
See, look, all this triple team.
Zach, come on.
Oh,
Stop it.
no! Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. But look, he's got Jackson on him. He's got Batum on him. And he's got
Curry steps back to tie. Oh my goodness, Steph Curry, you are ridiculous.
Hornets get it back. Here comes LaMelo Ball with his hair on fire.
And he had to windmill it to get it to go down. The defender was there. I don't think he could have.
To the defense.
Trey comes up with it and rolls it in. How about that?
That might be the send-off. The only thing left now is to get some.
Got to get back. Marketing going long. Oh, by Marvin Grant. A sensational skyscraper block. Jared for 3. Nearly. Lob. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness.
NBA world, if you didn't know.
Patrick curling down the lane. Leans in, off the glass, no. Antetokounmpo with the rebound. Here comes Giannis racing. Look at that speed. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Did he jump from the free throw line, Marcus?
Here comes Carmelo into Porter for the lead. Rebound by Wall, took it away from Rose. Got by Jennings and takes it home. What a play by Wall!
Did you see the afterburner jets by John Wall? He left Jennings in his track. Look at this move right here.
Leads the run out. Throws the ball. Oh my! The fuse is most definitely lit now. Wow, how about that play?
And normally Jalen goes up too, but showing you he's a complete.
So the Lakers still know they need probably another piece to the long jump shot.
Oh, Zion flying high for the rebound over Howard. Speaking of athletes.
Yeah, but see what you didn't see here was that trampoline that they took out from underneath Zion Williamson.
Quick outlet. Brunson, the crossover, draws the foul, shot blocked out of bounds. They're going to call a goaltend. And I don't think that's a goaltend. I don't think that looked like a clean block to me. That's just ridiculous. Spot open. Curry trying to create the space against Sabonis. Underneath, contorting his body. Masterful.
Big extension of summer that'll start in 2019 is Irving. What a move by Kyrie Irving. They're going toe-to-toe now.
Yeah. Oh my goodness! How high did KJ Martin get up on that one?
Wow.
What a move by Prince, right back at him at the other end of the floor.